In this video lesson, I would like to explain what is annoying most traders when they are losing their trading account balance. And usually this is the reason why they blame others. Blaming others is the most easiest part in trading when you're losing your money from trading activity by trading on the forex market or any other markets. If you are the beginner, and most of the time the beginners are blaming others because their trading account balance is melting and they are not successful in trading. Why is this happening? Why they are blaming others because of their bad results? Well, the crucial part when they are blaming others, for example, forex broker, it is a scam broker that has closed their trades when the news has started. They're blaming other trading gurus they are following because their trading signals are very bad. Then they are blaming their trading chart. They blame their trading PC or laptop or their mobile phone because the market did not react in their favor. Blaming others is the most easiest part in trading when you are trading with a loss. So something that if you are that kind of a person or you know someone who's acting like that, it'll be very nice that person learns how to trade first. Being profitable, it takes time, and being good trader to make the good analysis, it also takes time. At the start, at the beginning, I also have been acting like that. I was blaming others because I was thinking that I have decided to open, for example, in this case, I have decided to open a buy order. So I was expecting that the price will move in my direction. It will go up, but the price goes against me. Instead of going up, the price goes against me, and then I was blaming the market. Why the market moves against me? Why did it started to move against me? Because I have seen that the market, based on my analysis, the market should go in my way. Why did the market turn it around and I'm losing currently the money? Why the market is not moving so I can be profitable? Well, blaming others, it is the most easiest part. Instead of, for example, having bad trade and then making the analysis, is your trading activity was based on your trading rules that you have prepared with your trading strategy, or you have blindly opened the trade based on your feeling? This is something as a first part that you should take. Being objective, looking from the distance, what has happened when you have opened the market, how the market reacted, in which direction was market moving sideways, moving down, moving up. Was there any news on the market happening right now? Is the trading session, which is with less volatility, for example, here the market did not have great volatility, but here the market was volatile pretty, because the market, you can see, it was skyrocketing here. Then it was returning all the way back down. This is something that has probably influenced on the trading results of your trading activity. So it is not the result and also the only solution to blame others, to blame the market, to blame the broker who have these large wicks here on the chart. You're thinking maybe this is a false, maybe other brokers do not have this kind of large wick on this time frame, on this candle. So you start looking and comparing your broker with others. Well, as a result, you will see at the end it was your mistake. It is a mistake the beginners are making, and also experienced traders are making, if they cannot look into trading with the objectiveness. They are subjective, and they are thinking that their thoughts and their activity should be correct. They're always correct in trading. So sometimes you will not be correct, and this is something that you need to accept, that there are bad trades in trading and they are good trades. So if you take the analysis and you make the strategy that is more than 50% successful in the long run, this will be a great result. Now, blaming others, it is the most easiest part, but it is not the best part. If you will stay for a longer run in trading, you will see that the blaming others is not the way. The best way would be to have your clean strategy with a clean trading rules, and you have tested this strategy for a very long time and it is being successful. When you have that, being a trader with how to say that, is it cold mind, cold mind, which means you should start trading when you are calm, not force it into trading, and you're not trading based on your instinct but based on your trading rules. When this happens, you will see how the markets react, and you will see that your trading activity is starting to be profitable. But as soon as you are being profitable, do not be greedy, because this will eventually again lead you to melting your trading account balance. This is usually what happens when you start being profitable, that you forget being objective and looking into trading with your instinct instead of trading on your trading rules. Well, blaming others is not the solution. This was the lesson of this. This was the lesson of this video. So I hope you have understand what I mean by blaming others, and it is not the best solution in this case. There are always other solutions which are much better, because you are only the trader who is open these trades. So blaming others is not the way to go. Think about that. Think about yourself, about your trading strategy, about your trading rules and your trading activity, and find the best outcome of all of that. If you have any questions regarding this topic, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading.